I will show you how to reverse a string in Java, so let's get started. So basically what I mean by reverse is when, for example, if I were to type hello, the system would basically return back OLLEH. So basically reversing the string. So let's get started. So the first thing I want you to do is import these libraries right here. Make sure you get the import java.lang, import java.io, or import java.util. Now once you import these libraries, we're going to create a string builder. And we're going to call it reverse. Now you may be asking, why not use the string class and why are we using the string builder? Well, that is because the string class doesn't necessarily allow for things such as reversing or even appending. So every time you basically try to do that with the string class, it creates a new object and return it. This is because the string isn't necessarily customizable. However, but for string buffer, instead of creating a new string object, it only alters the internal char array. So basically string builder is more customizable and is basically better to use in this case. So we're going to call it reverse, and we're going to do equal new string builder, and inside we're going to type our string. We're going to type hello, just like this. Don't forget to add your semicolon. And now what we're going to do is reverse. Since that is the name that we gave our string builder right here, we're just going to call it, and now we're going to do dot operator dot reverse. reverse. And don't forget to add your semicolon. And now we're going to do system dot out dot println. And basically what this is doing is going to show our reverse string into the system. So we're going to type reverse, since that is the name of our string builder and the thing that we want to reverse. It's a bunch of reverses. So now we're going to run. And once it loads up, you can see right here it says OLLEH. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I recommend that you watch the other videos on my page. MaskedProgrammer out.